Standing row, one leg up. Just to make it a little harder, a little bit more challenging than your standard row with both feet on the ground. You take one leg away, it lessens your base of support. So again, same setup. It's in the middle of the door, chest height in between the first and the second hinge of the side of my door. Get in your position. Now take your right leg up in the air. Hold it. Pull in and hold. 2, 3. Release. Now precision points, this leg doesn't have to come up very high, but my gut needs to suck into my spine so I can keep that straight line from my head to my back. If you need, you can bring it up and hold it. Release the band, lower the leg. You choose what is going to work best for you, because each side of the body is going to be a little different. Make sure the elbows stay close to the side of the body. You stay up in a straight line and you're not sticking your butt out. The standing row, one leg up.